Hello Curious Human, today it's behind the scene of one of my favorite skateboard picture of Mark Appleyard.
Yeah. Wait a minute, who are you?
So back in 2008 I got hired by Dan Vezina, a legendary skatepark designer, to build the indoor skatepark in Montreal, the TAZ. Then the outside skateboard plaza with bloom paysage. That got me to take picture of the whole process while working there. And that got me hired as a photographer once the skatepark opened. On my left side I had a film camera here with my fisheye. Here it's the 4DD with my zoom lens, the 70-200, a 2.8, and I had a remote flash, which sometimes I had to run around to point it to different direction. So I had pointed it to the staircase before, and here I'm going to pivot it towards the DC shoes ramps over there, because Mark and a few guys were trying that gap. They were getting closer to land their tricks. I tried head on, which for here did not work out too much. It was too busy, too dark in the background. Gotta try to make the best out of a very fleeting moment. And when you catch it, it's gold. It's gold. Just like here. So here I went to get a lighter background because there was more light over there, and also to see the gap he was actually doing. And then I went way low to capture the waves and put that in the framing. Boom. Yeah. Mark Appleyard. So here I'm back at the stairs with the big lens, the flash shining down from the left, head on. I did get a few, but again, if the trick is not landed, those pictures are worthless, so I delete most of the picture right on the spot so that I don't publish something that was not landed, because otherwise you can do amazing tricks, you know, you can just jump and get your board to do any sort of thing. The pictures that I post are tricks that people got, you know, that matters a lot. And here's a setup that I used a lot, especially nightlife, but here for skateboard too. My 8mm fisheye lens with the flash on a tether, so that I can quickly move the flash around, and with the 8mm I can get right in their face. And then I went to the wall ride here. He failed that attempt, but eventually got it. I don't have it on tape here, but I got the picture. Boom. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I have a couple more videos of TAZ. It was a legendary part of my life, and especially my freelance. That's what helped me to start freelancing as a photographer. I was also hired for the woodworking over there as a contractor, so it was a great first gig. And then I got hired by Pepsi, by DC Shoes, by big brands. That was an amazing time of my life. And I have a few videos here and there, but they need some context in order to make sense, so I'm not too sure what's the best way to do it, but here's my attempt to do it, and I hope that was interesting. So thanks for watching, and next time maybe. Take care. Bye bye.